Hello, welcome to Sai Recipes. Today I am going to prepare a easy, tasty snack for tea time. For that, firstly heat oil in a wide pan on medium flame. About 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add peanuts. 5 tablespoons of peanuts. Fry the peanuts until they turn slightly browned. See here, peanuts are roasted perfectly. Now add crushed garlic. Here I have taken 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Fry them for a minute on medium heat. Now add few curry leaves. Fry them. Once the curry leaves are crisp, add red chillies. Add red chillies. Here I have taken 4 red chillies and cut them into pieces. Now keep the flame on low and roast it for a while. Here I am adding 5 tablespoons of fried gram to the pan and fry them for a few seconds. It doesn't need much time. Next add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a spoon of red chilli powder and then give a quick mix. Now switch off the stove. The pan's heat is sufficient for next process. So I switch off the stove. Add salt. Here I add half teaspoon of salt and giving a nice mix. Finally add crispy puffed rice. Here I have taken 200 gram of fresh and crispy puffed rice and now add them to the pan. Please friends, please subscribe to Sai Recipes and leave your comments in comment section. Mix all the ingredients. Mix well. Mix it well until puffed rice gets coated evenly. It's done. Now it's our tasty spicy puffed rice ready to serve. Thank you for watching video. Thank you so much.